Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you guys are gonna watch me work out. I mean, I don't even work out in front of my parents, and I don't know if it's just me, but मुझे शर्म आती है कोई अगर मुझे workout करते हुए देखे तो. But I'm making this video because number 1, 2 of my friends asked me to. Number 2, this exercise is quite intense, and if you want to work on your belly fat, this is a very good exercise, and I'm pretty sure that most of the exercises will be very familiar to you. So जिस YouTuber का मैं follow करती हूँ workout, नाम है Chloe Ting, and then the exercise that I'm going to show you guys today will be Chloe Ting's 2 weeks abs workout challenge. And most of her videos are really cool. Also, few of my friends do know that I have been following her workout routine since a week or a week and a half, but then completely मैंने वो बीच में बंद कर दिया था because of some reasons. So yes, let's just start the workout. Okay, so I'm not really confident showing that dirty yoga mat in my video, so you are gonna see me working out here in this floor. Also, I would suggest you to do some stretching before starting this workout. I thought of not speeding up the clip while doing plank, as I can actually stay in that plank position for 30 seconds max, not more than that, but hopefully in future. Also, posture might not be 100% up to the mark, but hopefully someday. So we have reached the last exercise, and I hope you guys did not think it was a tutorial video, because it was not. And if even one person is inspired to follow this workout routine, then my job here is done. So it was It was really challenging to work out in this floor because when I was doing this up and down plank and plank, my hands were just, slipping. So I need to see the video while editing. I don't know. I just felt like I was out of the frame. Bye.
It's embarrassing.